Hello, hello boys and girls. We are doing first grade math and everyone needs to get out what I scanned and emailed to you, to your parents. Unit 12 performance task. It's going to be your Unit 12 final exam. I'm going to grade them. Since I only got a couple of them in so far, I'm just going to read over the test for you, with you. In case you have any problems with the English, I'm going to read the test through so that you can answer it and then either scan it and email it back to me, or you can drop off a hard copy to me. I'll be here today and tomorrow. So, we are doing Unit 12 performance task. I am not giving you the answers because I'm going to just read the questions and you're going to fill in your answers. So number 1 says, Tanya finds some sticks in the garden. Which stick is the longest? Circle that letter. Okay, so circle the letter of the branch that is the longest. Which stick is the shortest? Cross out that letter. Cross out the letter of the stick that is the shortest. Okay, number 2. Which leaf is longer? Circle that leaf. Use the piece of string to help. See the string underneath the 2 leaves? Which leaf is longer? You can see where the leaf comes up to on the string. You can tell which leaf is longer. Circle the longer leaf. Number 3, use a ruler. So get out your rulers. Measure the length of the garden tool in inches. Tanya says the tool will fit in a case that is 3 inches long. Do you agree with her? Circle yes or no, and then explain your answer. So Tanya says the tool will fit in a case that is 3 inches long. Do you agree with her? Circle yes or no. So if you circle yes, the tool will fit in a case that is 3 inches long, just explain why. And if you say no, explain why. So the garden tool will either fit in the case or it will not fit in the case, depending on how long it is. Number 4. Tanya finds 2 pieces of wire in the garden. See the wire on the bottom of the page. Part A says, which tools would you use to measure each wire to the nearest inch? Explain. Which tools would you use to measure each wire to the nearest inch? So you have to write which tools. We did this in class. We measured things that were not straight. We measured things that were curved. And we had to use 2 different tools to measure something that was not straight. So which tools, more than 1, would you use to measure each wire to the nearest inch? Explain your answer. Part B, use string and a ruler to measure the length of each wire. So use a string, measure the first wire, then pull the string long, take the ruler and measure the string. So you're going to fill in about blank inches. The second one, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to take your string, measure the wire, then take it off the wire, put it against the ruler, and see how long the string is. That'll be how long the wire is. So put down about blank inches. Very good. Easy peasy. Next, we are going to do topic 12, assessment. The 2 S's and 2 S's, yes. Topic 12, assessment. Again, I'm going to read you the questions in case you have any problems with the English, and you can fill in the answers and then send it back to me however you can. Number 1, what tool would you use to measure the length of the bracelet to the nearest inch? What tool? Number 2, What is the length of the notebook in inches? What is the length of the notebook in inches? Okay, number 3, which word describes line X? Which word describes line X? So look at X, Y, and Z. So you're going to pick A, shortest, B, the middle, C, the tallest, or D, the longest. Pick an answer. A, B, C, or D. Number 4. What is the height of the sticker in inches? They're showing you a draft sticker and they're showing you a ruler up against it with inches. It's starting at 0, so it is measured correctly. How many inches high is the giraffe sticker? Fill in your answer. Turn the page over. Number 5, choose 3 statements that are true about the image below. So, the image below is a leaf on a ruler, and it measures a certain number of inches. It's measured correctly because it starts at 0 and it goes up to 8 inches. So, the leaf is being measured correctly. Yes or no? If you think yes, just fill it in. The leaf is 7 inches long. That's B. C, the leaf is 8 inches long. D, the right end of the leaf is at 7 inches. The right, and A, B, C, D, E, the right end of the leaf is at 8 inches. So you're going to pick 3 correct answers. Look at the leaf. Is it measured correctly on the ruler? Where does it start? Where does it end? And then pick your 3 correct answers. Number 6, measure the lines. Which sentences are true about the lines? Choose 2 that apply. Measure the lines. Which sentences are true about the lines? Number 6. Choose 2 that apply. So we have line X, we have line Y, we have line Z. Number 1, A. Choice A, line X is the longest. You're going to pick 2 that apply. Line Z is the shortest. C, line Z is longer than line Y. D, line Y is longer than line X. And E, line Z is the longest. So you're going to pick 2 answers that apply. Number 7, circle the object that is longer. Use the paper clips to help you and explain your answer. So you're using a paper clip to measure, so you're going to measure it in number of paper clips. Circle the object that is longer. So look at the cue, look at the puzzle piece in comparison to the paper clip. Approximately what size is the puzzle piece in comparison to the paper clip? Now look at the pencil. What size is the pencil in comparison to the paper clip? So now you're going to circle the object that is longer by comparing them to the size of the paper clip and explain your answer. And number 8. Number 8, there's a feather compared to the paper clip. And then there is a bumblebee or a wasp that is in comparison to the paper clip. So we're going, number 8, you're going to circle the object that is longer, the feather or the bumblebee. Use the paper clips to help you explain, and then write in an explanation. Write in your answer. Okay. I hope you're all done with the test. Have mom or dad or whoever's home with you email it back to me, or scan it and then email it, or however way you can do it, whatever's easier. You could even just write, not for all of them, but well, for most of them, you can just write the answers on an email and send it, but okay, whatever's easier. So that is our test, and the next unit that we are starting is Unit 13. Hooray! We are on Unit 13. Second graders are not right yet up there yet. They're not up to you yet, but I'm hoping by the beginning of next week they will be. Well, after vacation, of course. So the next unit of study is time and money. Time and money. So you're going to learn how to tell time, and you're going to learn how about money. While you're home, what you could do is you can take out some coins, and you can get familiar with the pictures that are on the coins. The penny, the dime, the nickel, the quarter. There's a $50, there's a dollar bill, $5 bill, $10 bill, $20 bill. So if you familiarize yourself with the coins, look at the coins, look at what pictures are on the coins, notice the color, and know how much each coin is worth. The penny is 1 cent, the nickel is 5 cents, the dime is 10 cents, the quarter is 25 cents. And then see if you can do some math with adding up the money. Scatter some money on the table, and then see if you can add the money up, and then see if you can make dollars. Dollars equals 100 pennies, 20 nickels, or 10 dimes, or 100 pennies. So 100 pennies, 20 nickels, 10 dimes, or 4 quarters. See if you can make those groupings into a dollar. So have a great vacation and stay healthy, and I will see you when you get back. So the next unit of study is time and money, Unit 13. We're starting after the break.